On May 7, 2025, in Fresno, California, Martin Campos followed his ex-girlfriend and her 3-year-old daughter on the freeway, hit their car with his own, and reportedly pointed a firearm at them.
State your emergency.
Can somebody please come to me? Somebody just hit me with a gun and I have my daughter. They're trying to kill me right next to me. Please, I'm bleeding. I don't know. I'm on shields. Please come.
Are you on foot or in a car?
I'm in a car.
What kind of car?
I'm in a BMW.
What color?
A blue.
Are you alone in the car?
No, I have my daughter.
And who wants to hit you?
It was an ex-boyfriend.
And he hit you with a
I
gun?
think he busted my head open. I'm gushing out blood. And he's following me right behind me.
Okay, hold on, okay? I'm getting the call in.
Okay, he's like trying to hit my car.
So you're driving, you're not parked?
No, because he's like trying to abuse me right now. And my daughter's in the car, and he hit me with a gun. Stop, I'm bleeding and gushing out blood. Why are you saying that? Why are you trying to kill me? Martin, just put the gun down. Please, my baby's in the car.
Alright, I have them.
Copy, I'll give it here.
Alright, we are westbound Jensen, now crossing over the 41. They are both failing to yield. Any units close, pit is authorized. Have her pull over out of the way if possible.
Copy.
He's still chasing and ramming.
Copy. Charles 14, I'm with you, 102.
You see your heads!
I'm with you. You come out with your hands up, or we will shoot you again. Come out on the ground.
7 Charles 14, line of fire is going to be to the east. I need units to arrive from Jensen and 41. Let me take over for you, Sarge.
You got it. Get out of the car!
When officers arrived, Campos allegedly discharged the weapon, leading to an officer response. He later drove off, hit 2 other vehicles.
Do not reach for anything or I will shoot you! Get out of the car!
Turn off my siren!
Unlock the door! Get out! If you reach, you won't get shot! Come out! Face away from me!
Turn away!
Get out and face away! Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out, face away, walk backwards, hands up! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Get on your knees! On your knees, face away!
Go hands, I got him, someone get on car.
And then surrendered. Campos is facing 11 charges, including attempted murder, child endangerment, and multiple firearm-related offenses. He is currently in custody with bail set at $1.78 million and could face up to 35 years, 8 months plus life in prison if convicted. No one should ever feel unsafe while trying to protect their child. This was a clear threat to public safety, and accountability is absolutely necessary to prevent anything like this from happening again.